Bye, Jasmine. Yeah, I am walking the neighborhood. My beautiful, beautiful neighborhood. It's only black people here. Isn't that interesting? I thought when I moved to the suburbs, that was just gonna be all Snow White. But that is not so. This has proven to me that there are some successful black people where I live. I'm gonna tell y'all, it feels so good to walk in your fucking neighborhood and then got a motherfucker goddamn trying to holler at your ass every fucking 20 minutes or throwing obscenities at you every time they see a fat ass. The thing that I am disappointed about is I noticed that the black people out here really don't speak. We just pretty much look at each other like, you over this motherfucker? Goddamn, how the hell you make it out the goddamn hood? The fuck? But in the hood, it is like everybody speaks regardless. And is it because there's always an agenda? This yard right here is beautiful. Now, this is how I like my yard. I did mine's gangster style though. I put a wooden bench up under that bitch. And the tree that I put my shit up under don't got no flowers. It used to have flowers. This one's pretty. I like that. I wonder if they'll let me come sit in their yard. Or maybe I'll just come sit in their yard myself. Because I'm just that type of female that I'll do the fuck I want to do. Like the other day. Let me show y'all what house I was at. I'm going to be talking to y'all as I go along because I passed the house. It's like back down this way. But anyway, so I was out here walking one day. And I was like, you know what? Fuck it. It's a shame that all these neighbors have these beautiful yards. They have pretty patios. And their children may be grown and shit. But nobody's doing anything out here. Nobody is enjoying the outside. It's pretty as fuck out here. So I took it upon myself because I just wanted to. So what I did was I dropped and rode in one of my neighbor's yards. I always wanted to do this, but some of these neighbors have real pretty grass. So I always said to myself, if I see somebody with pretty grass or something, I was gonna roll in that bitch. And that's what I fucking did. I dropped in their yard, and I rolled around in their grass. People like, oh, Yoshi, something wrong with you. No, ain't shit wrong with me, bitch, because you're supposed to take on nature and let the ground, the soft grass, hit your skin and allow the energies from the earth to flow through to you. I'm trying to think, which one was it? It wasn't their yard because this house belongs to a fucking police officer. Not that I give a fuck because I done walked all past this shit, looked all in the car and everything. I don't care about no goddamn police. No, this ain't it. Oh, this whose yard it was. These people got Got some little change out here. Yep, it was this yard right here that I rode around in. Right here with his truck. See? It's not the green, but it's green. So I rode around about right here. That's where I rode around at. Strange things. But see, I love beautiful flower trees. Love that shit. I like flower trees and shit. So I was stopping people's yard and look at their fucking trees and shit. So I did that shit one time in the hood. And this lady said that I was fucking crazy. Because I was standing there admiring her flowers and I was taking pictures of it. She was like, "You crazy." And she went in the house and act like I was gonna follow her in the yard, enter her house, and she was looking all out the window and shit like I was a Jehovah's Witnesses. I said, "You know what, bitch?" I put my head to the side like dude from CSI, Special Victim Unit. Put my head to the motherfucking side and was like, "Bitch, I am fucking crazy." But people don't appreciate the green. People don't appreciate the green. So I just wanted to rant a little bit about that. Me being out here on my walk. The kitty cat that normally be out here, he isn't walking with me yet. But today, he's in the house. But normally, when I go on my little walk, he's right there beside me walking, and we look out for each other. But I do like this neighborhood. I get bit up real bad. You know what I'm saying? I get bit up so bad sometimes I have to wrap myself up. But I just love being out here because you can actually think about shit. You can actually think about what the fuck is going on in your goddamn life. And also, what I like to do too is at nighttime, I like to take pictures of the stars. Because I notice every time I come outside, there is this one particular star that is always present right across but above my head. And I was wondering, I wonder, do we all have our own star? Because I find that a trip. Then I do stuff like I take pictures of the moon close up as possible. And I be seeing some strange shit up there. Y'all, I got pictures of some shit that I seen up there on the moon. I didn't think that the fucking moon's supposed to be that damn bright like the sun. And I take pictures of the sun too. There's some shit going on up there too. Trust and believe that shit. But anyway, y'all, I just want to make this quick video while I'm on my little walk. You know, y'all can't see my face because I ain't cool right now, y'all. Not that I give a fuck. I'm just saying. So, anyway. See you next video. Peace.